Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Wisely Card to Cash App. The first step is to open up Cash App on your device and tap on the user icon in the top right corner of the screen. From here, select the option that says Link Bank. Once you're on this page, tap on Link Debit Card. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your card details, which include the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, the CVV number, and the zip code associated with your Wisely card. Go ahead and type in this information carefully to make sure everything is correct. After entering all the required details, simply tap the Add Card button at the bottom, and your Wisely card will be linked to Cash App. Keep in mind, however, that Cash App currently only supports withdrawing funds from Wisely cards. This means you'll be able to cash out or transfer money to your Wisely account, but you won't be able to add deposits directly from Wisely back into Cash App. That's all there is to it. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.